Others will join in between. We can't wait further. Before starting, I want to discuss with all of you two things. First thing, why that in the case study exam, whether management case study, operational case study, strategic case study, student fail. Why that they don't able to pass the exam, maybe in first attempt or maybe in second attempt also. Or we can say otherwise, why that there are students who are able to crack the exam for the case study in first attempt only and with good marks. This happens in many other courses, but SEMA is a different course because it is not related with what you study in any study text or in anywhere that you can reproduce in exam. And anyhow that is not required also. The case study exam is a very practical oriented exam, and even in my classes also, or maybe in the social media, since nowadays that is the most important thing, that we connect with each other on social media, then we find that I am just giving example. Yesterday only one student from South Africa called me, and then she said that I gave a strategic case study exam 4 times. And all 4 times I failed. Earlier first and second attempt she was not very good. She scored in 40s, 44, 42. And then in the last 2 terms she scored exactly 66, 66. So 4 times fully lost the hope and was very sad in voice. And since in FLP route it is 1 year validity, so 1 year is also gone. And then she need to pay the FLP subscription fully again, and exam is still there. So she was connecting ki where I am doing wrong and all that. In our classes also sometimes there is a student we have, Nirav Acharya. I am talking about Nirav Acharya, very good student. He studied in the first time only properly. But when he gave the exam first time, then he scored 76 something. But after giving the exam only he called me and he said that, sir, I will not be passing the exam. Because I know that, sir, out of the 4 questions, 1 question I have not written properly, I have written totally wrong. I came to know after giving the exam. So you always say that, sir, if we don't do properly all the 4 questions, then we cannot pass. So I will not pass. Still I told him that let's hope for the best. Maybe you can score. Okay? Then obviously he couldn't pass because he already know that. Then the same case study, because 2 terms the same case study is there. He gave the exam next time. Then he scored 72, even lower than that. And now this time he called me after giving the exam, ki sir, this time I will pass. I have done well, I have written very good answer and all that. But then I mean to say for him and for me, for both of us, it's not good that a good student is studying well and he still failed the exam. So he was sad. I consoled him. I told him that not a problem. Sometimes it happens in life and maybe we need to work hard. Then 3rd time he didn't give exam. The new case study, he was not so prepared, so he didn't give exam. And now the 4th time, he gave the exam in August, he cleared. Even his score is 82 only. Not very good score, even though he is a good student. Then he called again me. Then he said that, I asked him, now how you passed? Bola, sir, believe me, I have not studied as such properly. Whatever knowledge I have with our previous classes, with our previous study, I just applied that and I passed. I get through. So you can say that this time good luck was there and earlier it was bad luck. We can say in our class there is a student Devsri. She is from operational level FLP route. Cleared operational case study just now in August. and now she is studying for management level. Devsri gave exam, as far as my memory, February 2022. And believe me, Devsri, I didn't thought that you will not pass the exam. Because you worked hard, you written all the answers, you submitted them, but फिर maybe there was a problem that when you gave the exam from home, some technical issue arises, you will not able to focus during the exam time from your home, and that was the problem. Because मेरे को नहीं लगता है if I will think that Devsri can fail operational case study. ठीक है, हो गया problem because we didn't give the, I think you gave the exam in center or in home, February 2022, Devsri?
Sir, home.
Home,
At
हाँ,
home.
yeah. So there was some technical issue arises, you faced a problem in the software and all that. Because of that, you were not able to concentrate during the time of exam properly. ठीक है, चलिए bad luck हो गया. I talked to your father also कि भाई I don't believe that Devsri can fail. ठीक है, गड़बड़ हो गया. अब उसके बाद फरवरी के बाद you gave the exam in May. In May, I don't teach operational case study live. So you studied with materials which I shared and all that. I'm not saying, but suppose because of any reason again you couldn't pass. फिर से गड़बड़ हो गया. फिर आपने अभी अगस्त में क्लासेस लिए ऑपरेशनल केस स्टडी, वी टुक द क्लासेस एंड यू पास्ड. और आपके जो फ्रेंड्स लोग हैं, मानस है, आरती है, वो लोग सबको ये आपको पता ही होएगा कि दे हैव ऑलरेडी डन मैनेजमेंट लेवल ऑल्सो एंड नाउ दे आर इन द स्ट्रेटेजिक लेवल. नाउ Devsri, you have the experience of not passing the case study. Recently, even Karthik had the experience, but I'm not talking to Karthik because that's old, very old. I'm talking about now. Ki in 2022, you have given the operational case study exam all the 3 times. Ki in February also, then in May also, and then August, ultimately you got the success. क्या आप अपने हिसाब से आपको क्या लगता है? What do you think that what is required for passing the case study exam and what is the mistake you did? May not be in February because that was technical mistake, but in the month of May when you gave the exam, what was the issue that you couldn't pass the case study exam and you able to clear? Now you understand. Here you are not going to communicate, sir आप बहुत अच्छे हैं, आपने बहुत notes दिया, ये सब नहीं बात कर रहे हैं यार, because you all have already joined the classes. Forget about this. We are not praising me and you. We are required to logically discuss what is the reasons of failure and what is the reason for success. क्या आप कुछ बोल पाओगे? Can you say something, Devsri?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I think in second attempt, I have not focused on linking the this study material with the case study. I just wrote all this, whatever I have studied in F2 and P2, not
No.
linked it with this.
Just 1 second. You were saying that whatever I studied in F2, I wrote that. That
Yeah.
means, do you want to say that ki in May exam, you have not prepared the mock papers?
No, I have prepared, but I have also linked it with this case study properly. I was more practical.
You are very technical, you want to say.
Yeah.
Okay. So according to you, the reason for the failure in May 2022 exam was the things were written very technically and they were not correlated with practical case study. That was one reason. Any other reason which you can associate for your failure in May 2022?
I think I was not confident more because no one is checking my question papers.
Acha.
So how come I know? I am
Ki
not-
what you are writing, are you good or bad and all that. Okay.
Yes.
And then when you passed in August, then what is the reason for your passing the exam?
That time I was yet confident.
Okay.
सब अच्छे से याद हो गया था एकदम.
यानी कि you want to say that कि for passing your confidence level should be high. One criterion. And we fail the exam because if we are not practical. That is your thought process. Can we say
Yes,
like
sir.
this? Okay.
Yes.
नाउ और तो कोई हम लोग के क्लास में नहीं है अदर देन कार्तिक, जो अभी इसके ऊपर एनीथिंग कैन add in this. There is nobody there with whom I can ask. Now, we need to understand, suppose I am a teacher for, or I am a tutor for SEMA case studies or SEMA papers and all that for years. Like me, there are many in India also, globally also, in UK, from different countries. Tutors are there. And nowadays, after Corona, everything is there on the YouTube. If any good faculty is there and the people are recognizing that person, then the views, the likes and all that are very good. So it's not that only me, because there are many who are doing good job in providing training classes for CIMA. Maybe they are from India, maybe they are from outside India. If you look at them, their video, and if you analyze what they are saying, and at the same time, if you look at the SEMA examiners' views, the examiners what they are saying, ki why the students are failing, or what is the reason that the student is passing. Both the things, because failing, passing are two sides of the coin. We need to toss the coin. So we need to get that passing one, not the fail one. So we need to understand that my experience, I am saying, since 2015 when the case study exam launched in SEMA, and it is 2022 getting ending. So it's around 7 to 8 years journey. And earlier, Karthik, you remember, for every term the case study was different. From 2020 they started that at least a breather. Ki for 2 terms the pre-seen material will be same. May and November same, May and August same, and then November, February same. So at that time though I was forced to take for all the 4 terms the separate classes, because the material is different. When I am talking about 2015, when the case study exam started, believe me, there was no clue how to teach, how to help you with the material, how can we prepare for the questions, past term questions were not there. Then we hired faculties from IIM A, B, since they have done in their curriculum the practical oriented case studies, they will be able to manage the students better, because I don't have 40 in this area. So I thought that they will be able to manage better. But then when 1 or 2 exams over in 2015, February exam, May exam, then institute released some guidelines. How to write the answers, what type of questions will be coming, how can we prepare well, different types of technical skills and all that. Then institute released further material in 2016 also. In 16 they said that don't think about specific technical areas, think about more practicality, understanding the concepts, practice in questions in writing, exam environment, so many things. Continuously institute is developing. And now though there are so many years over, now it becomes a generally standard process. How can we pass? My experience says that most of the students in our classes are failing the exam because of lack of preparation. As far as management case study is concerned, because in management case study the students are working. And they are not working at a very senior level. They are working at managerial, mediocre level. So obviously, there are some students who says, sir, I am working at middle level. And middle level, you understand, sir, Sara boss ka kaam I need to do. That means I am the only person. Somebody messaged me, I don't remember. Sir, I am not at the senior level. I am at the middle level. There is just a time to go office. And there is no time to come back. And everything. Even my juniors' work, my boss' work, everything I need to do. I am not the person as senior just given the instruction and gone from office. I didn't like that message, because मेरे को ऐसा लगता है if you ask me कि the senior persons are just giving the instructions, then to how the organization will run. But you can accept the facts that middle level persons are in the organization are more puzzled because of the juniors and because of the seniors also. So, those who are not able to pass the exam, they are generally not very keen, not very interested to solve the mock papers, to study regularly, to submit the answers, to attend the live classes, all these things. So most of them, those who are doing like this, they are generally not giving the exam only. But then even though if they give the exam, like Devsri is saying, sir, I was not confident. So their confidence level is 0. It's not 10-20%. Their confidence level is 0. Somebody will say that, sir, I am a chartered accountant. Sir, I am CA interqualified. And I am CA finalist. Sir, this is not CA type exam. This is not that you can read something in the book and then you can place in writing. It is very practical oriented. It's a business case study. Business problem, business issues. Maybe those business problems we are daily dealing in our life. Like Ravi said that, ki sir, now I am engaged in toy only. But बात क्वेश्चन ये आ रहा है कि हमें एग्जाम में टॉय खेलना नहीं है. We don't need to play with the toy. We need to manage the business of HP. In every area, in every respect. That business management, even though we discuss so many things in the class, you will not be able to give justice in the exam if you are not giving your hard work, if you are not putting your efforts, if you are not writing the answers for the questions, for the assignments which I will be giving you. Maybe you are facing problem in writing. Maybe you are not able to put a proper view, but then with practice gradually, automatically by the time of exam, you will stand up. You will fall down so many times, but you will stand up. And you start feeling confident that I will be able to pass the exam. So first thing, the reason for failure, lack of commitment. Class नहीं करना, assignment submit नहीं करना, assignment submit करने का date आज है, सर प्लीज मैं कल सबमिट करूंगा, मैंने बोला ठीक है, फिर कल भी गायब, परसों भी गायब. तो नॉर्मली वो स्टूडेंट पास नहीं हो सकते. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, दे कैनॉट पास. दे कैनॉट पास द एग्जाम बिकॉज दे आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड. वेदर दे गिव एग्जाम और वेदर दे डोंट गिव एग्जाम, दे नो इनसाइड कि मैं ये एग्जाम पास नहीं कर सकता. और उनको ऐसा लगेगा सर बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, सर मैं कैसे लिखूं. तो आपने when the class is running, when the assignments are given, how many times you have written the answers? How many times you have submitted the assignments? जब आपने सबमिट ही नहीं किया तो आपको फीलिंग आने की है. मे बी यू हैव अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 10 years, 12 years, 15 years. कोई मतलब नहीं है. एग्जाम इज एन एग्जाम. You need to prepare for the exam. The requirement of the exam need to be fulfilled. तो अगर lack of practice, और अगर ये सब बोलना है कि सर ये है, बच्चा है, रवि जी आपके लिए भी बोल रहा हूं कि सर ऑफिस है, ये है, सर अगर ये बोलना है, then we should accept कि we can't give exam and we can't pass the exam. So the first criteria, attend these classes, do the recordings, and whatever the time frame given for each assignments need to follow. रात को 2 घंटा कम सो जाएंगे यार, क्या प्रॉब्लम है. सिंस लास्ट 10 days आई वॉज नॉट देयर एंड वेन आई केम, मैं डेली हर दिन 3:30-4 बजे उठ रहा हूं. तो मजा भी तो किए थे ना यार. वेन 10 days आई इंजॉयड, देन आई नीड टू पुट हार्ड वर्क. उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है. प्रॉब्लम्स लाइफ में हरदम रहेगा, बट यू नीड टू पुट योर 100% एफर्ट्स. Second thing, there are so many things written in E2, P2 and F2 syllabus. If you ask me, so many times I studied E1, E2, E3, which is you can say enterprise level, business environment, for any industry, the business nature, ethics, then you can say HR, human resource, मार्केटिंग, मैनेजमेंट, लीडरशिप. लेकिन मेरे को, इवन दो आई हैव स्टडीड सो मेनी टाइम्स, एक सिंगल थ्योरी नहीं याद है कि विच इज सेड बाय दिस इकोनॉमिस्ट. नाउ यू विल से मेंडलॉज मैट्रिक्स, दैट्स अदर थिंग. बट इन योर E1, E2, E3 material, so many write-up is written which is theoretical, which I will be forced to study properly when I am giving E2 exam. But when I am giving case study exam, I don't think that we can write whatever written in the books. My personal advice, don't read anything from E2 material. Nothing. Maybe some IT areas are also written, but आप उस तरह से पढ़ के you will not be able to correlate with the case study. Never. When I will be discussing anything, when I will be checking your answers, when I will be sharing with model answers, कभी कभी मान लीजिए मैंने E2 खोला, वहां से देखकर कुछ लिख दिया थोड़ा और बेटर बनाने के लिए, that's other thing. But my suggestion is not there that for giving the exam, you can study E2 from one by one paragraph and all that. That's, you will not be able to give exam even after 2 years also, अगर आप वैसे सोचोगे. The second subject comes P2. Some technical areas are there. Say some capital budgeting area, NPV, IRR, risk management, some risk management areas, or maybe some management accounting theories also, target costing, pricing, life cycle costing, environmental accounting, different balance scorecard, budgeting. इसमें क्या है कि when I will be taking the classes, then I will anyhow cover all these areas in our case study classes. मेरे को cover करना है. I have to deal with, because otherwise we will not be feeling confident, but not technically. Relating the pricing story with HP, कि अगर pricing chapter के अंदर in P2 there are different theories written, cost plus pricing, market based pricing, target based costing, what they are following, what they should follow, logically discuss तो करना होएगा ना. But मैं अभी आपको पढ़ाने बैठ जाऊं, cost plus pricing, variable cost plus fixed cost plus markup, variable cost plus contribution, that is just a waste of your time and my time also, because that way the questions are not going to come. You need to understand that concept and apply in the case study exam. So E2 and P2 not required to be studied from the study material. Otherwise, you can say that just in the last batch when I was teaching P2, some of the student of case study, they said that sir I want to join. मेरे को क्या है? But जब उन्होंने ज्वाइन भी किया, बीच में छोड़ भी दिया, some few classes done, balance not done, तो अभी तो कंडीशन सेम ही है ना. क्या normally अगर I have started since last 2.5 years that students should be given F2 classes separately. Even when I teach F2, it becomes very technical. But then क्या लगता है कि since F2 is a technical area, आपको अगर ग्रुप अकाउंटिंग, ज्वाइंट वेंचर, लीजिंग, रेवेन्यू रिकग्निशन, टैक्सेशन अगर समझ में आता ही नहीं है तो आप उसको बना नहीं सकते. यू कांट मेक अ स्टोरी आउट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज दोज आर प्रोविजंस, दोज आर अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड गाइडलाइंस. तो आप उसके ऊपर अगर थोड़ा सा टेक्निकली बेटर नहीं होगे, so you will not be able to produce the answer. Why I started this 2 years back? पहले 2015-16 उस समय तो FLP route was not there. Student has to study E2, P2, F2, then only they can go for the case study exam. But I realized that generally the students are coming in management case study from MBA background, from PGDM background, और उनका accounts का knowledge बहुत poor है, बहुत poor है. The knowledge of accounting is not there at all. Not a question of debit credit. तो उनको वो केस स्टडी के साथ विदाउट टेक्निकलिटी बहुत मुश्किल दे. इट इज वेरी हार्ड टू डिस्कस दैट ग्रुप अकाउंट्स एंड एनीथिंग विदाउट हैविंग टेक्निकल नॉलेज इन द क्लास. सो आई टेक अ कॉल दैट एवरी स्टूडेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट केस स्टडी विल बी गिवन द इंटायर F2 classes along with the case study free. Because if you go in my pricing structure, MCS price is different and F2 price is different. But I am offering MCS student those F2 classes free. But then I have realized that very few CIMA students, very few, attend those classes with regularity. यानी कि जब अपने केस स्टडी में आ रहे हैं तब आपको बोलना है कि E2 P2 F2 कहां गया। जब अपने F2 पढ़ रहे हैं जिसकी जरूरत है तो अपने वो क्लास करते नहीं है। दैट्स I mean to say there is no solution for this. And if I will start teaching E2 P2 F2 fully for case study, first of all not required. The second thing is that student will say that sir I will not do SEMA. You do sir. Because if I got the exemptions, if I need to give the case study exam, then why I need to study the entire aspect, entire thing? You need to understand that E2 and P2 can be managed even though you don't have technical sound knowledge with the case study. But F2, if you don't have basic technical knowledge, you can't manage with the case study. तो अब out of the entire question paper, one question will be coming on F2. और आप अगर उसको खराब लिखोगे तो आप पास नहीं होगे. It will be difficult to pass the exam if you are not performing properly in all the 4 questions in the exam. So for that reason I realized since 2019 end कि हर स्टूडेंट को F2 क्लासेस भाई पूरा पढ़ा दो यार, बेटर है. They will do the F2 fully so that the technical issues will not be there and they will be able to manage the case study exam. So few days back, Ravi, you were asking that, sir, मेरे को लिख के करना है क्या calculations? तो मैंने बोला कि मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा करना है कि नहीं करना है. It's not a question. It's a question that till the time you are not getting the concept, few questions you also need to do. Not that like other students, those who are giving the IFRS exam or those who are giving, you can say, FR exam or maybe F2 exam, because all are not in the FLP route or all are not in the CSAP route in the case study. They have to give the F2 exam. They need to do all the things in writing. But फिर भी अगर that technicality basics we are not getting, we will not be able to reproduce, we will not be able to give answers in the exams in case study. तो क्लासेस चल रही हैं, अभी भी 15-20 दिन 25 दिन क्लासेस F2 की चलती रहेंगी. टिल द टाइम आई विल बी कमिंग हियर, देन बाय दैट टाइम मोस्ट ऑफ द एरियाज जो आपके केस स्टडी से रिलेटेड F2 में है, आई वुड हैव कवर्ड बाय दैट टाइम. मैं वो कवर कर चुका हूंगा. सो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. You will be able to manage. And when I will be giving questions, you will realize that कि वो जो F2 areas है वो कितना जरूरी था. कितना बार सर ने बोला था लेकिन मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. अभी फिर उसको पढ़ना पड़ेगा, एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स देना पड़ेगा. So student need to be technically better in F2, but P2 and E2 they can manage with their common sense and with the class discussion. That can be managed. But management will be possible when you submit the write-up. Whatever homework I will be giving you with the time assignment, you can't request me in the WhatsApp. इस बार तो खास कर, because in this week I will be checking माने management and strategic all answers, and there are around 65-70 students. यहाँ पर कोई सारा 50 फैकल्टी नहीं है सर कि they will be checking different answers and all that. तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि आप अगर मेरे को बाद में बोलोगे मेरे को बहुत तकलीफ होएगी. ऐसे भी मैं सुबह से रात तक जग के भी आपका कितना चेक कर पाऊंगा, दैट्स अ क्वेश्चन. बट आई विल गिव माय वर्क, माय कमिटमेंट विल नॉट फेल. सो आई मीन टू से दैट व्हेन आई एम गिविंग एन असाइनमेंट, you are bound to write the answer, whatever you can write. When I am telling that you need to write the answer, initially for 15 days I am telling to refer everything, whichever book you want to refer. Google, SEMA material, ACCA material, whatever material you have, you refer. Because for 15 days we are going open book exam, open book. Kholo, likho. But not the same language. Make your own language. If something you don't know, you are reading from somewhere, read it, understand it, then write in the answer. But don't copy paste from there. Don't copy paste from my notes. You need to make your own language. You need to test that in how much time, how much you are writing. तो अभी आने वाले 15 days में every homework will be, whether you know or don't know, you refer everything whatever you like. First 15 days will be that type of homework which I do in every case study, operational, management, strategic. Because a student will say that sir I have never studied. A student will say that sir I studied but I forgot. कोई बात नहीं है. मैंने कहां बोला है कि you don't open the book and don't see the answer, don't see the technicality. आप देखिए भाई, देखिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. But you are bound to write the answer. You can't message me कि घर में ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया, ऑफिस में ये है, I didn't get time. नहीं लिख रहे मत लिखिए. मैसेज क्यों देना है? No use of giving message. You are bound to write the answer if you want to pass the exam. And after first 15 days, that means in the next month, next 15 days, from 1st November to 15th November, we will be going into the next gear. We will be taking our car to 4th and 5th gear. Now at that time, we will not refer any material. We will be writing the answers the way we are bound to write in exam without referring anything. And in the exam, you need to manage your time. Because in the exam, for one requirement, you are getting 45 minutes. So you need to write the answers in 45 minutes. In exam, it is not that you are doing one question 45 minutes today, next day again you will give exam, again 45 minutes. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना. In exam, you need to sit for entire 3 hours, solve all the 4 questions together. वैसे ही आपको next 15 days करना होएगा. Now when I will be saying that in the class, student again will not hear. They will refer the material. They are writing the answers in place of 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. Because somebody is writing, suppose an answer in 45 minutes, 3 page. यार 3 पेज दुनिया में कोई पैदा ही नहीं हुआ है कि वो टाइप करके पूरा क्वेश्चन पढ़ के प्लानिंग करके 3 पेज का आंसर लिख दे. फिर मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं, आई एम सेइंग इन द क्लास कि यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम. You need to now go into the exam mode, that you need to write the answers the way it will be there in the exam hall. When you write the answers, you take exactly 3 hours. When you have free 3 hours at a stretch, write all the answers without referring anything. Follow the exam guidelines that in every 45 minutes you will be completing one answer in the same order. You can't do third one first, pehle, and the first one later. When you will be solving 2, 3, 4 papers in the exam mode again and again, definitely your feeling will change after writing the answers like that. So first part is preparing the syllabus, understanding the case study, still writing the answers, referring the study material, referring Google, referring whatever you have, practice in writing regularly. And then in the next 15 days, you need to focus on what I should say, exam-oriented study, exam-oriented style of question preparation. Lekin, you can't message me, you can't mail, I didn't get the time, I will submit after 1 day. नहीं allowed, अभी बोल दे रहा हूं. जब मैं बोल रहा हूं पहली क्लास में नहीं allowed. Somebody will say that, sir, इस बार तो टाइम कम है. निसार was saying, सर एक बार इस बार का भूल जाते हैं, मई में जाते हैं. मे केस स्टडी मटेरियल केम इन अप्रैल, मार्च एंड, आई डोंट रिमेंबर एग्जैक्ट डेट, अराउंड 27th or 28th March or maybe 29th March year, March end, the pre-seen material released by the institute. So students are getting time from where? April and May, 15 days, 45 days. Now when I took the first class in May, for May term, say it was on 1st April, I don't remember, maybe 1st April or 31st March, I took the first class. फर्स्ट क्लास में मैंने सारी चीजें समझाई कि भाई एग्जाम का क्राइटेरिया क्या है, हाउ टू गिव एग्जाम, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन पेपर, पासिंग क्राइटेरिया, दिस दैट. 3 घंटा तो उसी में चला गया, 3 hours. फिर उसके बाद मैंने प्रीसीन मटेरियल रीड करना चालू किया. प्रीसीन मटेरियल स्टूडेंट के सामने रीड किया. रीड करने के साथ साथ मैंने उनको कुछ वीडियोस दे दिया रिलेटेड विद द केस स्टडी, टेकिंग फ्रॉम यूट्यूब विच आर रिलेटेड विद द केस स्टडी. वो वीडियो दे दिया. और फिर उसके बाद क्लास होने के बाद मैंने उन लोगों को पार्ट ए और पार्ट बी, मतलब कोर एरिया ए एंड कोर एरिया बी का असाइनमेंट सॉल्व करने दिया. नेक्स्ट क्लास इज ऑन 15th April. नेक्स्ट क्लास 15 अप्रैल को, 15 दिन बीच में, बिकॉज सो मेनी होमवर्क आई हैव गिवन, डिस्कस समथिंग. तो जब तक मैं आप, इफ आई विल नॉट गिव यू टाइम, देन तो यू विल फाइट विथ मी, सर हाउ आई विल राइट दिस मच इन 1 day 2 day. So proper time given to you so that you can submit your answers. I can check them. And then in the 15th of April, maybe 14th April, part A and B, core area A and B, which is given to all of you as a write-up, discussed in the class at length. core area A और B को discuss किया गया. आपके जो भी आंसर्स है उनमें कहां गड़बड़ी है, कहां इंप्रूव करना है, ये सबको समझाया गया. हमने कोर एरिया ए और बी खत्म कर दिया. फिर से क्लास खत्म हो गई. देन आई हैव गिवन कोर एरिया सी एंड डी असाइनमेंट्स. एंड देन अगेन द क्लास इज ऑन 30th April आफ्टर फर्दर 15 days. So you all are studying core area C and D, taking help of somewhere here and there, writing the answers, submitted the answers. फिर हमने क्लास की तो हमने कोर एरिया सी और डी को बहुत डिटेल में डिस्कस किया. आपके जो रिटन आंसर्स है उनके ऊपर कमेंट किया, समझाया कहां इंप्रूवमेंट करना है. अभी भी कोर एरिया ई बाकी रह गया. फिर हमने क्लास की तीसरी, उसमें कोर एरिया ई हमने डिस्कस किया, डाउट्स वगैरह क्लियर किया, और मान लीजिए क्लास में और जो भी जहां जहां डिस्कशन सब वो कंप्लीट किया. फिर उसके बाद हमने आखिरी क्लास की. आखिरी क्लास में मैंने, अच्छा कोर एरिया तीसरी क्लास के पहले मैंने आपको कोर एरिया ई साथ में एक मॉक पेपर एग्जाम स्टैंडर्ड का दे दिया कि आप उसके ऊपर वर्क करो, उसका आंसर्स विदाउट सीइंग एनीवेयर लिखो. फिर उसके बाद मैंने और दूसरा 2 पेपर दिया, बोला आप आंसर लिखो लेकिन अब की बार आप कहीं देखना मत, डोंट सी एनीवेयर, एग्जैक्टली 3 hours यू राइट द आंसर एंड देन सबमिट. और उसको मैंने, वो जो मॉक पेपर टाइप है उसको मैंने आपका एक एक लाइन चेक किया, आपको एक एक लाइन पे नंबर दिया कि आपको यहां नंबर मिलेंगे, यहां कटेंगे, यहां गड़बड़ है, पूरा कमेंट लिखा जैसे एग्जामिनर चेकिंग करता है. 2 पेपर आपने किए. फिर क्लास में हमने एक टेस्ट लिया. क्लास में मैं बैठ गया, क्लास में मैंने आपको पेपर दिया, 1 by 1 क्वेश्चन आपको बोला आप आंसर तुरंत लिख के दो, जैसे कि 45 minutes वाला रूल एटलीस्ट क्लास के सामने होए. आपने तुरंत लिख के दिया, फिर उसको चेक किया, फिर मार्किंग किया, फिर आपको समझाया. एंड देन अगेन गिवन यू 1 or 2 पेपर्स कि these question answer you write, I am not checking, you see the model answer after writing, and if you find any problem then you connect with me. तो जिसने कोर एरिया ए बी सी डी ई, जिसने जो मॉक पेपर 3 या 4 मैंने दिया, जिसने क्लास में मॉक टेस्ट अटेंड किया, आंसर लिखा, नॉर्मली 99% वो सब पास हो जाते हैं. चाहे कोई को भी देख लो, चाहे देवश्री देख लो, चाहे कोई देख लो, जब ये सारा चीज स्टूडेंट करता है तो वो पास हो जाता है. अब ये सारा चीज करने के लिए व्हाट इज द टाइम वी हैव? द टाइम इज ऑलवेज 40-45 days because the case study material is never released by the institute. I will say 6 months before the exam. For May exam, March and April 1st or 2nd. For November exam, it is September and or October 1st or 2nd. तो आप अगर सोचेंगे कि ये टाइम कम है तो फिर तो टाइम तो हर बार ही कम है. Then in that case, some of the students are doing what? Like in the last batch when I taught me case study, and Devsri, your friend, Aarti, Manas, those were there. They took the classes, they have written the answers. Last में उन्होंने mock test वगैरह नहीं दिया. उसके बाद उन्होंने सोच लिया कि हम लोग फरवरी माने अगस्त में एग्जाम देंगे. लेकिन जब अगस्त में एग्जाम दे रहे थे उनको लगा कि हमें मई में ही दे देना चाहिए था. आप उनसे बात कर सकते हो कि they should have given the exam in May only. But still they thought that कि it is very early, we just cleared the operational case study, better है कि एक बार थोड़ा टाइम दे देते हैं और पढ़ते हैं, और फिर एग्जाम दिया, क्लियर हो गया. लेकिन they were studying the May case study like that कि उनको मई में एग्जाम देना है. That feeling was there in their mind, with that perspective they were doing, and then they passed the exam because they have put efforts, they are putting their efforts. अगर कोई आंसर लिख के नहीं देगा, सबमिट नहीं करेगा, मैं चेक नहीं करूंगा, मैं उसको गाइड नहीं करूंगा, मैं इवैल्यूएट नहीं कर पाऊंगा, आपको प्रैक्टिस नहीं, बिकॉज इन द केस स्टडी क्लास देयर इज नथिंग टेक्निकल, ऑल आर प्रैक्टिकल डिस्कशन. नोबडी कैन से दैट आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस. कुछ है ही नहीं टेक्निकल। IFRS पढ़ रहे हैं तो भाई कुछ टेक्निकल आता है, बट यहां कोई टेक्निकल डिस्कशन इज नॉट देयर, ऑल आर प्योर प्रैक्टिकल डिस्कशन। सो वो प्रैक्टिकल डिस्कशन कोई जन नहीं बोलेगा नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, कुछ है ही नहीं ऐसा। बट देन just by understanding in the class, you can't pass the exam. You need to put your efforts. Maybe you are a chartered accountant, maybe you have done MBA. Exam is an exam. And you need to chalk out some time from your busy schedule that you will study every day. So we can say that we have 35 days left. In 35 days, I will be teaching as far as specifically for the case study, around 25 to 30 hours. मैं टोटल में पढ़ाने वाला हूं। आपको अपने लेवल पे भी अराउंड 120% ऑफ दैट 25 to 30 आवर का, सपोज 30 आवर ओनली, 30 का 120% इज कमिंग अराउंड से 40 आवर। सो 30 and 40 70 आवर। 70 आवर आप स्टडी अगर करते हो, और अभी से 35 डेज बाकी हैं, हर दिन का 2 घंटा ही होता है, बट वेन यू आर स्टडिंग that time should be your study time, nothing else. And that study time is, as per me, why I am doing study, always in the morning 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. If I think any student will message me at 3 o'clock, उसको भी तो 3 बजे उठना होगा ना, मुन्ना उठ बेटा 4 बजे, 4 o'clock उठो और मेरे को मैसेज करो, कॉल करो, देखते हैं दम क्या है। कार्तिक विल मैसेज मी एट 4 o'clock, यानी कि आपका डिस्टर्बेंस लाइफ में चालू होगा 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. आई कैनॉट स्टडी फॉर 5 minutes, 5 मिनट भी मैं स्टडी नहीं कर पाता जैसे ही ऑफिस टाइम चालू हो जाए, और ये रात को 10-11 बजे तक चलता है। कि इफ यू आर बिजी, इफ मोबाइल इज ऑन, कंप्यूटर इज ऑन, यू कांट स्टडी मैन। इसको जवाब देंगे, उसको करेंगे, ये करेंगे, इससे बात करेंगे, ये ग्रुप में मैसेज, ये सोशल मीडिया, ये हो गया, मोदी जी ये, दिस इज इन एंडलेस। यू रिक्वायर पीस माइंड, concentrated mind to study. If you are not a person who can get up in the morning at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, रात को 2 बजे सोने के टाइम पे, if you have the habit of sleeping at 12 o'clock, sleep at 2 o'clock, get up in the morning late, but you need to study at that time when nobody can disturb you. रवि जी, आपका बच्चा है, वाइफ है, जब आप सुबह पहले 4 बजे 5 बजे पढ़ रहे हैं या रात को 1 बजे पढ़ रहे हैं, कोई डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा, कोई टेंशन नहीं है। जब आप ये मैनेज करोगे तो ही होगा। और या इफ यू कैन मैनेज दैट इन द आफ्टरनून टाइम और एनी टाइम, you can switch off your mobile phone, you can close your room door, and you can focus concentrated study for 2.5 hours, वो भी चलेगा। बट आपको ऐसा टाइम निकालना है जहां पर डिस्टर्बेंस जीरो, full focused study. Otherwise 2 hours thing you will be doing in 10 hours, and then you will say I studied 10 hours in a day. Illogical. कोई भी आदमी दुनिया में इफेक्टिवली एक दिन में 4 घंटे से ज्यादा नहीं पढ़ सकता। Somebody will say that I did CA इंटर, CA फाइनल में 10, अरे यार किताब खुली है, किसी से बात करे, that is not study. Study means study. आपको अपने लाइफ में से 2.5 आवर रेगुलरली देना है, और असाइनमेंट्स जो दिया जाएगा सॉल्व करके सबमिट करना है। ये सब क्वेश्चन रेज करना नहीं है, मेरे को नहीं आता है, यार मेरे को मालूम है नहीं आता है। व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, आई नो यू डोंट नो। आई एम गिविंग यू अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट यू रेफर एनी मटेरियल, you refer Google, you refer whatever you like, man. For 15 days you study, you update your knowledge. P2 और E2 में ऐसा खास कर कोई चैलेंज आना नहीं है, जो चैलेंज है F2 में ही आना है, बट स्टिल कहीं कहीं पर P2 में भी चैलेंज आ सकता है। रीड द कॉन्सेप्ट देन राइट, नो प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन लिखेंगे अपने लैंग्वेज में, so that what you are reading, if you are able to reproduce, that means you are understanding the concept. आपको कॉन्सेप्ट दिमाग में मिल रहा है, फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट लेवल में आगे जाएंगे। नाउ थिंक दैट यू विल बी गिविंग एग्जाम इन नवंबर, मे बी सपोज देयर इज सम इवेंट, यू नो दैट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गिव एग्जाम, फिर भी दिमाग में डिस्काउंट करिए, आई नीड टू गिव एग्जाम इन नवंबर, सो दैट सपोज बिकॉज ऑफ एनी रीजन you are not giving exam in November, then in that case the same material, the same write-up, the same case study, the same is relevant for February also. तो आप उसी को और फर्दर स्टडी करके यू कैन गिव इन February एग्जाम. फॉर February वी विल नॉट हैव एनी लाइव क्लासेस. क्या पढ़ाएं? यही तो चीज जो अभी पढ़ेंगे वही पढ़ना है. फॉर February I will be sharing extra mock papers which will be shared by Seema Institute and Kaplan with all of you. 2 to 3 mock paper extra with their model answers, but there is no classes. So November classes are relevant for February as a recorded. और अगर आप फिर February में भी एग्जाम नहीं देते हो, नहीं होता है, फिर तो मई के लिए नया मटेरियल आएगा. When it will come, March end और April 1st और 2nd. I don't know what is the exact date. फिर वो वैसे ही ऐसे ही आपके पास 35-40 डेज ही रहेगा. तो निसार जी ये पहली बार नहीं है, ये हर बार कई है सर. सीमा केस स्टडी इज 40 to 45 days study. If somebody will say that this is not sufficient, then the other option is that you study very well and give exam in February. उसके अलावा तो कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है. लेकिन whoever give exam later, they say that कि सर पहले ही दे देना चाहिए था, वो ज्यादा बेटर था. And there are students who are completing management and strategic case study in 5 months. One name from UK, Asim or something. A girl gave one exam in November 2020, another strategic case study in February with the recorded classes through. In May, there was a student Shreyas, gave the exam in May, not this May 2021, and then August 2021, strategic case study finish. This term, there was a student Ashish, आपने देखा होगा, gave exam for management case study in May, then strategic case study in August, finish. He joined with us in the month of April. April, May, June, July, August, 5 months. Seema qualified. ACMA, CGMA. There is one more person, Nayan, like him. He joined in the month of March. Gave the management case study in May, strategic case study in August, cleared. And strategic case study result is very good. Because there the students are at senior level. But सब कोई आंसर सबमिट करते हैं यार. मेरे को ही तकलीफ होता है इतना चेक करने में. But then I realized they all will pass. And the result is 70, 80, 85%. एक स्ट्रैटेजिक लेवल का पुराना स्टूडेंट बाकी नहीं है. एक सिंगल पीस कट पीस, नॉट अ सिंगल स्टूडेंट. Management level students are very busy, I can say. They are not able to study. They are not able to attend the class. They are not able to submit the answers. That is the problem. और उसके बावजूद भी फिर भी 5% is luck. Luck means you put your 100%, but click नहीं हुआ. God is not with you at that time. What you can do? There is a student with us in operational level, Mr. Devarsri Bakchi. He studied with me CFA, ICFA University CFA 20 years back. बेचारा बहुत बुद्धिमान है. अभी this time he scored 79. देवारसी बागची का नंबर 79 नंबर आया है.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, क्यों 79 आया उनका? क्या लगता है, क्या कारण है कि he could not able to score? बैड लक तो है, लेकिन इसके अलावा क्या लगता है आपको? Since you did classes with him.
Sir, he used to copy paste answers.
हम उसको माने, आप सोचिए कि जो लेवल पे वो आंसर लिख रहा है वो मैं नहीं लिख सकता, वो कैसे लिख दिया यार. और उसको मानना ही नहीं है सर हम नहीं देख के लिखा है. अब और झगड़ा तो नहीं कर सकते ना यार. एक लेवल तक ही मैं बोल सकता हूं कि एनीबडी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट इज कॉपी पेस्टेड फ्रॉम द मॉडल आंसर्स. नहीं मानना है उसको बात. अगर वो बात छोड़ दे तो उसका 100 नंबर की नीचे नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज ही इज प्रैक्टिकल. बट बात सुनना ही नहीं है. अभी भी क्लास के पहले उसने फोन किया था फिर से, सर अभी क्या करूं. मैं बोला यार अभी तो क्लास है, बाद में बात करते हैं. तो मेरा ऐसा बोलना है, आपको एफर्ट्स पुट करना है, टाइम कम नहीं है. और कौन बोला कि आज फॉर्म भरना है? एग्जाम फॉर्म तो अभी 10-15 दिन बाद भरेंगे. उस टाइम पे वी विल टेक अ कॉल कि आर वी रेडी और नॉट, आर वी कैन. तो इन दैट केस फरवरी में. लेकिन आप स्टार्ट ऐसे करिए दैट यू नीड टू गिव एग्जाम इन नवंबर ओनली. यू नीड टू स्टडी लाइक दैट. एंड इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट मैन, बिलीव मी. डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. इट इज ओपन एंडेड, प्रैक्टिकल. टेक्निकलिटी इज नॉट देयर. You need to bring that practicality in your solutions. That is my saying, my experience of teaching SEMA, and I generally enjoy teaching case study classes. मान लीजिए other things also I enjoy because I am a passionate teacher. Whenever I teach anything, I am in the best happiest mode. But फिर भी केस स्टडी पढ़ाने के टाइम पे मेरा हैप्पीनेस अलग लेवल पे चला जाता है और मजा आता है, बिकॉज हमको लगता है कि अभी तो पहला बार कोई काम का चीज पढ़ा रहे हैं. द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम टीचिंग समथिंग विच हैज मोर सेंस, विच हैज मोर प्रैक्टिकलिटी. ऐसे तो यार आई एम टीचिंग IFRS 15, रेवेन्यू रिकग्निशन, भाई ऐसा ऐसा 5 स्टेप. यहां तो अपने उसको अप्लाई करेंगे ना, वी विल बी अप्लाइंग दैट. वही तो मजा है. Whatever we are studying, that we can apply in the practical world or not, practical situations, practical problem for which there is no fixed answer. You can have a different view, I can have a different view, but we both are correct. कितना मजा है, क्या मजा है यार. That's a different game altogether. मेरे को लगता है हर एग्जाम में, हर कोर्स में ऐसा होना चाहिए. इंडियन CA, इंडियन CWA, हर जगह. ACCA में तो होता ही है. They are not taking the case study at every level, but then they are taking the case study exam. यहां पर बहुत ज्यादा case study का इंपॉर्टेंस है, और इसीलिए सीमा इंस्टीट्यूट has said that you prepare case study, you give the exam for case study, you pass the exam for case study, you were one of the best practical person in life. यही तो उनका पर्पस है कि आप टेक्निकली अपने को ब्रश अप करिए, केस स्टडी का एग्जाम दीजिए. जब आप एग्जाम देकर क्लियर हो रहे हैं, मतलब यू आर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पर्सन टू बी एम्प्लॉयड बाय एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बिकॉज यू आर अ प्रैक्टिकल थिंकर. तो बात ये समझना है कि इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट, वी कैन मैनेज इफ वी फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शंस.